Okay, guys, ship hold.
Roger.
You're gonna go crab chasing, and I think this is a worthy zoom while you get set up.
Yeah.
He is awesome.
That is a beautiful jelly.
You want me to zoom?
Oh.
Bridge,
Hold
can
on,
we please
let me
hold
get
position?
closer to him.
Sure want to know if he glows, but I'll
Okay,
keep
zoom
going.
in there.
Thank you.
Look at that thing. He's reflecting the lights of Farkano.
Yeah.
Looks like a firework.
Alright, so once he's disturbed, which is now, if you can back off, zoom wide, there's a different crab that we want to try and grab.
Okay.
Esmeralda,
Yes.
which one is... You said there was one that was further down you want.
It's the same. This
You think
in
that
front
one's
is
the same? Okay. So if you can get your suction sampler out, and
All right.
Oh man.
I know. Trust me, you're talking to a midwater guy.
All right. Full wide.